Come with me, George. Come see our new truck that we got. I don't know if we're the first, but we are not very many of these around. This is a 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate 3500. Super excited about this truck. I've got 2 more ordered. The other 2 are black. But yeah, this is a white one. We just happened to get it. It was a lucky deal. My buddy Rob at Paradigm Fleet, he got it for me. But yeah, we're gonna do a video here a couple days, George. Do a video or so, and we'll go through some of the cool things about this. We'll walk around. We obviously got to get it decoed yet. That'll probably be another week or so. But yeah, like this thing's badass inside. Just got it tinted, so it's a little bit dirty. But yeah, this thing is wild. I really like my Ram Limiteds, but this thing, I think this thing just took first place for comfort and interiors. It's wild. Not crazy about the towing capacity of it yet. The Rams and the Fords are definitely doing well with that, but this thing is wild. Actually, maybe next week or later on this week, George, here's a 2023 F350. This is also a brand new truck. I don't think I got the keys for it, but this is a brand new one. This will be going out on the road on Monday with a driver. 3 450s ordered and a 550 ordered and another 550 we just purchased there a week or 2 ago. We bought it again off my buddy Rob at Paradigm Fleet. Anyways, that's getting outfitted right now. The new 450s are coming with 500 horsepower, 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Going to be game changers. I'm almost certain those 450s are they're going to take the cake. 40,000 pounds towing capacity. But these 350s, they get her done. We're very happy with the 350s. We got 4 Ram 5500s ordered and a 3500 ordered. And again, we got 2 more of these coming. These will be another 2 in July, August, all Ultimates. Super cool trucks. Love them. The only thing we need to do is get some wheel well covers in there, and then she's pretty, and the tonneau cover, and then she's pretty well done. Really loving this truck. I'm really excited for the Ultimates and the Ford F450. So make sure you check in later on this week. We'll get some time. We're going to go through specifications and all that kind of good stuff, and then we'll throw the Ford on here too. We'll do it as well. It's not as dressed up. This one's just an XLT. The other trucks are all Lariats and whatnot, but we had to buy what we get, or we could only get what we can get. So, but yeah, thanks for joining. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and check us out on social at FLOATR Inc.